Screws are the most common form of joining technology. There are literally hundreds of screws. Every screw needs to be turned in order to fit tightly with the object joined. This turning is done with the help of a tool called screwdriver. The screwdriver fits into the head of the screw and turns it. Every screw has a different tool to be driven or turned. In this video, we will take a look at a few of the most popular kinds of screw heads. Most screw heads such as slotted, Phillips, posi drive, hexagonal and square head screw profiles are common. Slotted screw. The slotted screw has been around the longest. This is the traditional screw head in which used to be the only head type available. The slotted head is basically one line through the middle of the head in which the screwdriver would fit. Once the edge of the slot is burnt, the screw then becomes unusable. Phillips screw. The screw head Phillips has been named after its creator Henry A. Phillips. It has a cross-shaped recess on the head. Two slots at 90 degrees to each other. The force that is required to turn the screw is less, which is why it better than the slotted screw drive. Like the slotted drive, this screw head too causes the screwdriver to come out when high torque is applied to tool. However, the intensity is lesser compared to that of the slotted drive. Hence, the damage is limited to the screwdriver instead of the work or the screw head. The purpose of its design was to make the driver come out so that it did not result in over-tightening. It has applications in home and workshops. Posi drive screw. The posi drive screw has a total of 8 points of contact. This is done by adding a second cross to the first cross and it improves the contact of the driver to the screw. This is more versatile than a Phillips head and also has a superior grip. This head may be used with a slotted screwdriver or a posi driver. Square or Robertson screw. This square screwdriver has been named after the Canadian inventor P. L. Robertson. It a square-shaped recess in the screw head which holds the tool firmly. It is also called a Robertson drive. They are highly resistant to coming out, which is why they are being used more. The driver does not slip off the head easily even when high force is applied to it. They are used by woodworkers, electricians and motor mechanics. Hexagonal screw. These head types are made to extend above the surface and is driven by using either a hexagonal driver or a spanner. These fasteners are very similar to hex bolts. They differ mostly in that they are used to tighter tolerance than the corresponding bolts. One-way screw. These screws have slots which are narrow at the center and gets wider as they proceed towards the edge. They can be turned only in one direction. The shape of the slot allows a flat-bladed screwdriver to rotate the head in the driving direction, but not in the removing direction. They can have either a flat head or a round head. They are used in restroom fixtures and on vehicle registration plates. They are mostly used in thin metal or wood. Torx head screw. These head types have a 6-pointed recess which makes the driver easier in that there is a larger surface area. They require a less common driver to suit them called a Torx driver. Dear viewers, thanks for watching the video. More update, please subscribe our channel Learning Engineering and get notification to press the bell icon.